Hi, how is your mood?
Excellent. What about yours?
I am great. Any news?
I am going to fly to Germany.
Why? May I know?
Sure, I have been selected for an international conference.
Really? My congratulations, well done.
Thanks. So, do you have any news?
Yes, I am getting married.
Oh, that's great news. When?
Yeah, our wedding day is in a week.
Really, why didn't you tell me earlier?
I am sorry, Jane. It all happened so quickly.
Well, who are you getting married to? That's so interesting to me.
Her name is Nova.
So, where is she from?
She is from Australia. She lives here, in Canada with her family.
I am very happy for you. Do you love her?
Yes, I fell in love with her at first sight.
Wow, I want such a love story too.
We met at a cafe for the first time. She was waiting for someone.
Then, what did she look like?
She was so attractive, wearing a blue dress, and she charmed me with her warm smile.
How cute. When did she say yes to you?
I made the most amazing marriage proposal. Then she said yes.
You are so romantic. Was it exciting?
Of course, I was so happy. There was silence. I looked into her eyes, kissed her on the forehead, and said that I would never let her regret this decision.
Oh my God. I am going to cry. Will you introduce me to your bride?
Yes, I want to see you on my wedding day.
Okay, let me know the date. I will definitely be there.
Yes, I will. Don't forget, I will be waiting for you.
I look forward to being at your wedding party.
All right, when do you think you'll get married? Do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, please don't ask. I'm not even thinking about it right now.
Why, do you want to be single all your life?
No, I just don't have a boyfriend. I'm not in love with anyone currently.
You're 25 years old. It's time to think about building a family. Don't you ever feel lonely?
Sometimes, yes. But I'm surrounded by good friends, and I'm passionate about my work. It keeps me busy.
However, family is more important than your career.
You're right. Over time, I've been choosing men, but I can't seem to love them.
No, you can love. And when the right person comes along, you'll know.
I hope so. I admire what you and Nova have. It must be nice to have someone who understands you so completely.
Life has a way of surprising us when we least expect it. And who knows? Maybe this conference in Germany will bring some unexpected.
That's very true. And who knows? Maybe my Mr. Right is just around the corner.
Maybe. Anyone would be lucky to have you.
Speaking of surprises, how did you plan the proposal?
Oh, I wanted it to be unforgettable. So I arranged a small, private outdoor setting under the stars. It was just the two of us, surrounded by candles and with soft music playing in the background.
That sounds absolutely magical.
I just wanted it to be special for Nova. She deserves the world. By the way, how is your business?
Yes, actually. I'm adding eco-friendly products. It's a lot of work, but worth it.
That's fantastic. It's so important to support sustainable practices. Nova and I have been looking into eco-friendly options for our home too. Maybe your store could give us some ideas.
Definitely, I'd love to help you out with that. For now, I'm excited about your wedding and this conference. It's going to be a busy month.
Can't wait to celebrate with you. It wouldn't be the same without my friends there.
And I'm counting down the days to your wedding. All right, I better get back to work. Lots to do before I leave.
All right, take care. And if you need anything, you know where to find me. Safe travels to Germany. Come back soon.
Thanks for the heartwarming chat. I hope to see you on the wedding day.
Bye.
Take care. Goodbye for now.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!